Working with photos in OneDrive. In my OneDrive, I have an images folder. I also have photos and I also have pictures. Each of these I've just created and I've put different photos in each. Here I can see that I have 7 picture files inside this folder. So clicking once on the folder, I can go in and see a small miniature of each one of the 7 pictures. If I click on a picture, so clicking on the middle of a picture, it will bring up just that picture on screen. Using the arrow here on the right, I can go through the 7 different pictures in this particular folder. As I make my way through, I can see the number of photos up here on the top right-hand corner. Clicking on the X up here will bring me back to the miniature files that I can see here all together. When you go and select an image, you will see across the top a range of different things that you can do with this image. So the first of these is to share this image with others. So clicking on the Share button, it will bring up the window that allows me to go and invite people by email to share this photo, or I can go and get a link and I can copy the link and give it to others that I'd like to share this photo with. I can also go and add this photo to an album, and here I'll be able to go and create albums and store photos together, just like putting them into different categories. I can go here in order to play a slideshow. So this will bring up each image and spend a couple of seconds on each image and bring me through all the images that are in this folder. Clicking on End Slideshow will bring me back to that main menu system. By clicking the X will bring me back into the small miniature tiles. Again, selecting an image, I'm going to continue looking at the menu system across the top. Here I can go in and rotate the image, so if I'd like to change the way I'm viewing the image on screen. And I can also go and download the image onto the device that I'm currently using. Next I can go and delete the image. And finally I can go and view the original image. Clicking on View Original will bring me into the actual picture file. Clicking on the X here and X again will eventually bring me back into OneDrive. Down on the bottom right-hand corner, there's an I for information. Clicking on this will bring up the properties of the image that you're currently in. So here I can see firstly that my image has a caption, and underneath I can see that I currently haven't shared it with anyone, but I have created a link, so I could send this link to others if I'd like to share it. As I scroll down, I can see the information about the image, for example, the date it was taken, what device I used, and so on. At the top of this screen, it also shows the word tags. If I click on Edit Tags here, I can see that currently it's using 2 tags, horse and Kildare. I could also, for example, add the tag called outdoor, and then click Close. What do tags do? Well, if I close down the images there for a moment and go back to my files, at the top here we've already looked at the search tool. If I type in a word that's a tag, so for example if I type in the word Kildare and hit return, any images that are tagged using the word Kildare will come up on screen in a search. So it's a handy way of finding different images and bringing them up for yourself in a search result. Down at the bottom of every photo, you'll also see a caption. Clicking on the pencil tool here will allow you go and either edit the caption that's there or write in a caption of its own. This will also help when you're finding the image. So that is how images work when they're saved on your OneDrive.